There's a really interesting thing that's happening right now in uh, um, there's a whole segment of study that's called neurotheology, and
Mm.
it is about the study of the brain and the impact that spirituality has on the brain and the
Mm.
and the connection between what we would call maybe the the mind and the spirit, how they are
Mm.
integrated. And so, if you were to take a picture, there's actually one in the book, I think, a picture in the book of if you saw a what a healthy neural pathway. So, like all of our programming,
Mhm.
all of our behavior, all of our thinking,
Mhm.
right? All of the things that have kind of programmed us are these interstates in our brain, right?
Right.
That electricity travels and all this kind of stuff, and
Mhm.
it's what programs our responses. And it is interesting that a healthy neural pathway ends up like looking like a tree, like it's very strong at the base, and
Mhm.
as it grows up, it spreads out so it's able to make connections with other pathways in the brain,
Makes sense. Yeah.
right? But an unhealthy, a negative thought or a negative experience or a bad neural pathway looks like a tumbleweed. It all turns in on
Oh.
itself and it never has an exit or another connecting point.
Oh, interesting.
And so they are actually able to map the brain in such a way that you can literally there's a verse in the Bible. It's in Romans 12:2. It says, do not be conformed to this world, but be transformed, right? A transformation by the renewing of your mind. Now, if you like go to
Mm.
church, you're like, what? Well, why would it be the mind? Why is it not your heart?
Mhm.
Why is it not your well, so much of our emotions and the way that we process and the programming that we've experienced in our life is connected to this physical organ called our brain.
Mhm.
And the only way that you can stop negative thoughts is to literally starve them.